What if I told you that 3 simple pressure points could bring back those rock-solid morning erections you had in your 30s? No pills, no pumps, just your own hands and 5 minutes. Hey guys, Dr. Olivia Brooks here. For the past 12 years, I've helped thousands of men over 50 get their morning confidence back. And today, I'm sharing something that changed everything for my patient John, a 58-year-old who thought his best days were behind him. 3 weeks ago, John walked into my office frustrated. "Doc," he said, "I haven't woken up with morning wood in 2 years. Is this just my new normal?" Sound familiar? Here's what I told him and what I'm about to show you. Look, when those morning erections start disappearing, it's not just about sex. It's that nagging voice saying you're getting old. It's avoiding intimacy. It's feeling less like yourself. But here's the truth most doctors won't tell you. Your body hasn't forgotten how to perform, it's just gotten lazy. Think it like a car that's been sitting in the garage. The engine still works. It just needs someone to turn the key and get things moving again. Let me break this down super simple. Getting an erection is like filling a water balloon. You need 3 things. Good pipes your blood vessels, strong pressure, blood flow, a way to trap the water inside your muscles. After 50, these 3 things slow down. Your pipes get a bit rusty, the pressure drops, and those muscles that trap blood, they get weak from not being used. But here's the game changer. You can wake them all up with targeted pressure. It's like hitting the reset button on your phone when it's running slow. All right, let's get to the good stuff. The first pressure point is what I call the foundation. Feel where your penis meets your body, right at the base underneath. There's a small groove there. This spot is like mission control for your erections. It's where all the important nerves and blood vessels meet up. Here's what you do. Moot your thumb right on that groove. Gentle pressure like you're testing if a tomato is ripe. Marginalize small circles for 90 seconds. You should feel warmth spreading. That's blood flow increasing. John told me this felt weird at first, like waking up a sleeping limb, he said. But after a week, he started feeling something happening in the mornings again. Point number 2, the power spot. The second point is your secret weapon. It's between your balls and your backside, that soft area most guys ignore. This spot controls a muscle that acts like a valve. When it's strong, it keeps blood trapped where you want it. When it's weak, everything deflates like a leaky tire. Do this 2 fingers to press gently on this spot. Move in slow circles for 2 minutes. It might feel strange at first. That's normal. You're basically giving this muscle a workout without doing exercises. One of my patients, Mike, 62, called this his game changer. He said, "Doc, I had no idea this area even mattered. Now I work it every morning in the shower." The sensitivity ring. The third point is right under the head of your penis, that ridge where the head meets the shaft. This area is packed with nerve endings. It's like the ignition switch for arousal. But here's the key. Gentle wins the race. Lightly pinch this ridge between your thumb and finger. Fold for 5 seconds, then release. Do this for 1 minute. Then make gentle circles around the whole ridge for another minute. Too much pressure here backfires. Think of it like tuning a guitar. You want just the right tension, not too tight. Here is your daily 5-minute routine. 1. Morning before you get up or in a warm shower. 2. Show me with the foundation 90 seconds. 3. Move to the power spot 2 minutes. 4. Finish with the sensitivity ring 2 minutes. 5. Do this every single day. That's it. 5 minutes to restart your system. Now, let's be real. This isn't magic. You won't wake up tomorrow feeling 25 again. But here's what happens. Week 1, you'll feel more sensation, maybe some warmth. Week 2, morning fullness starts returning. Week 3 to 4, real improvements. Firmer, more frequent morning erections. John, after 3 weeks, he texted me, "Doc, I woke up with an erection 2 days in a row. My wife noticed the difference too. Want faster results? Add these simple boosters. Dramatically glass of water before bed. Better blood flow. Leap on your back. Sometimes less pressure on your equipment. Mute back on late night alcohol. It kills morning erections. Guys, this isn't just about erections. When you take control of this part of your health, everything changes. You walk taller, you feel younger, you stop avoiding situations you used to enjoy. Your body is incredible. It wants to work properly. Sometimes it just needs you to show it how. Start tonight. Set a reminder for tomorrow morning and commit to 3 weeks daily. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share with a buddy. Many struggle in silence. Your best mornings are ahead. Dr. Olivia Brooks signing off. Stay strong, stay vital.